Hey, my name's Ralph. I'm with Flexfilm, and I've got a quick tip video for you today. This is a 2008 Honda Accord. It's got one of these little annoying quarter windows that people don't even realize are there that give tender's fits like me. And there's no border. It's just a really tight boundary you have to work with. And I want to show you a quick, creative way to craft a pattern for a car like this. We see them all the time. You can use your scraps. I've got some scraps from the previous windows I've tinted on the floor. I'm going to pick it up, which is a release liner from one of the side windows. And I'm going to just grab this one. I'm going to use this as a pattern. But first of all, you got to get you a Sharpie, and you got to figure out which side you can write on. See, I can't write on that side. This is the silicone treated side, the one that had the glue on it when we pulled it off. This side, I can write on it. It stays on it pretty good. So I'm going to use the right side first. Then I'm just going to come over here and make sure all my bases are covered. And I'm going to secure it on there with my smart card like this. You know, just so it doesn't move. I might, just for the video, I might just trim a little excess off just so I can work with it a little bit easier. Throw that away. Probably throw the bottom side away a little bit. I don't need every bit of this. Try not to nick the paint on the car. Maybe you can cut some off over here. Just get it down to the size. I don't need too much excess here. Maybe cut this a little bit. What the heck? Okay. Then I'm gonna make some relief cuts in my corners so that my marker will flow better and not bunch up. I always have better results when I do that. This is just a piece of plastic here. It's gonna be real easy to, we're gonna throw it away when we're done. I just don't want it to bend funny. I want to get the best looking, straightest pattern I can. Okay, relief cuts are made. Another last minute push down here. And I'm gonna take my trusty Sharpie, and I'm just gonna kind of take my time and go around it. Make sure I get the right clean line that I'm looking for, because I want this pattern to be perfect. It's kind of tricky in the corners if you don't relief cut them. That's what I'm doing. Just kind of making my way around. And there we go. What the heck? I'm gonna make sure I got plenty of black on there so I can see real good. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna take it over here to my fill board right behind me. I'm gonna spray it and put it up here and let you see what I'm gonna be dealing with. There it is. Well, you know, my Sharpie got wet. I can still see this pretty good for me. I'm gonna use this as my pattern. I'm gonna put it on top of my film that I'm gonna actually cut. That way my film's real flat. I don't have to use the film itself as a pattern, because then it starts to crinkle up and then I got to deal with the edges. I got a clean piece of film. I can put it on there. I can use my ruler to cut all my straight edges, which would be this one and this one. And then simply, you know, freehand the rest. Just freehand the rest of it with your Alpha knife and you'll get the perfect cut every time. Quick tip.